Yeah, it's not exactly made for zooming in too much, eh, this camera, this phone? Yeah, I missed the Nikon. Oh, you're banking. Banking to the left. Oh, looks like a Star Alliance plane. Oh man, barely got it. Barely got it. The rim. Air Transit. Probably coming back from Cuba or something like that, eh? Cuba. Don't shake the bench. I'm freaking filming. Don't make me smack you. Give you the smackdown. Yeah. Oh, non-Air Canada. Nice. Oh, no, it is Air Canada. Yeah. A330, I presume. Oh, that's got to be old. It's not quiet. Well, you know what Sheryl Crow used to sing, huh? If it makes you happy, it can't be that bad. Whoa, whoa, whoa. There's a Star Alliance plane on landing. And I'm fucking starving right now. Starving. Oh, no, wait a minute. Sorry. No. No, sorry. Qatar Airways. Qatar Airways. Yeah, yeah. A little bit of a gray area during the Olympics, eh? Of course I can. Oh, Air Algérie. Probably a 767. Check that out, man. Massive. That was Qatar or Air China, I don't know. You're okay there?
Well, it's going to strip me out of card, is it?
Huh? Yeah, it's going to give you a non-rechargeable.
Oh, it gave me this thing, okay.
Oh, that looks like a 4-engine plane for sure. That's a 4-engine plane. Could be a freaking stealth bomber for all we know. B-52 bomber.
B-52 is not stealth.
No, I know. I'm just making a point, you know. Take your receipt, eh? Look at that. 1, 2, where is it? Shit. 2 and 3.
There it is.
And, oh, baby. Oh yeah, finally a big plane. I think it's a big plane. Yeah, buddy. Oh, I don't even know what the hell airline that was. Man, I haven't been here in a long time. Feels good. Bad weather cleared right out. About 20 degrees Celsius, some clouds, perfect. Yeah, man. Oh, Royal Air Maroc. Nice. Not too windy either. There's that plane that landed in the background there. I don't know what airline that is. Virgin, maybe? That is a big mother coming in now. Because it's great, because it's certainly not rush hour here, so that's when you see more the big planes like this. AC. I see AC. Just occurred to me that's a Royal Air Jordanian plane there on the right. I don't see that too often. I'm not sure they come in here daily or not. Yes, sir. Oui, monsieur. It's like Air France. No. No. I think that's Air Tunisia. I'm not sure. Not too sure, actually. Touchdown. Really get the shot of this plane because of the fence here, and not only because of the fence, but it curves even. See? Shit. Mm-hmm. Look, even that bird is plane spotting. There. Okay, it's not the best lighting, but hey. I'm thinking this is a 787 Dreamliner, if I'm not mistaken. Well, my favorite livery. Cool. All right, good. Oh, baby, look at that shot. Okay, well, it was a good shot. Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm.